We have with us Vijay Valecha, CIO at Century Financial. Welcome with us, Vijay. Let's start talking about the latest developments that we are having today in the oil markets. Apparently, the latest decisions that have been taken by Donald Trump are moving the markets in general. However, as per the latest also decisions that Trump has announced when it comes to reducing Iranian oil export to zero. In your opinion, when it comes to the movement of oil price, was the price affected by this decision, and are we to expect further actions taken by Trump which will affect the markets?
Well, absolutely. Ever since President Donald Trump has come into power, we have seen, of course, that there's always news in the market. There is never a shortage of, there's never a dull day. We do believe that there'll be definitely more action coming in. Whether the exports of Iran will be able to be curbed or not is still to be seen. But yes, we will definitely have movements in the market thanks to such news that is coming in. At the same time, what we actually expected when this presidency was coming in is that we would actually see much more a stable geopolitical environment. That actually has not happened. Thanks to the trade wars, we have actually seen a much worse geopolitical environment. The uncertainty is really growing, and the growing uncertainty can be very, very visibly seen on gold prices. At the same time, we have not seen much of an effect on the indices and the equities market, but I think it's just a matter of time. Then we'll see impact on literally every asset class across the board.
Is it possible to stop the Iranian oil exports as Trump wishes or as he announced?
Many presidents in the past have tried to put in very, very strong sanctions and have succeeded to certain extents, but to completely curb the production and the exports from Iran, it's a little too difficult. If that does happen, we will be probably seeing oil at $100 a barrel. It's a very, very large number that Iran actually does export around the world. That could be a huge impact. It does look very, very unlikely that anybody will be able to actually put a complete halt to Iranian exports and production on oil. It will definitely be something which will move the markets, but an actual halt will be very, very difficult to achieve.
Today, the gold is at new record levels. We have reached 2,877. And definitely, this big momentum, we're talking about 5 trading sessions in a row of increase. Vijay, who is buying the gold today?
I think majorly America is buying the gold. US imports of gold, physical gold especially, have really, really gone up. We have seen China's government now is trying to get in on the gold buying spree. Every government around the world, so it is majorly government and institutional buying going on gold. The uncertainty around the world is getting higher and higher. Gold prices are showing the way. We do believe that gold's bull run has again this year just started. We could possibly see a repeat in performance in percentage terms of what gold did last year. 3,500 or even $4,000 an ounce will not be impossible this year.
Perhaps these numbers and these expectations for gold will make us really reach new levels. Everyone is betting, everyone is bullish on the gold. Trump's decisions affecting all asset categories and maybe also gold. So what can you tell us?
Well, we do believe that gold will have a positive outlook with everything that is happening around the world. We are seeing interest rates are not probably going to come down at the same pace that we expected last year. We might see a reduction in interest rates, the speed at which interest rates fall this year, and that might be the only bearish sign that gold has this year. Barring that, everything else is pointing to a much, much stronger gold. With the dollar levels at these all-time highs and gold also being at all-time highs, this is quite an anomaly in the market. One or the other will have to give way, and it looks like the dollar might start retracting, but gold, it looks like we might see a 5% correction at best, but not more than that.
Mr. Vijay Valecha, CIO at Century Financial. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.